So right now we can look at, for instance, what we have done and accomplished just under EQIP. And what's really nice to see is that we can not only look at what's accomplishments have been made in the lower 48, but we can also look at Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, and our other territories. So like with this, we're looking at a land unit map view of just what we've done with EQIP. If we wanted to also pull the drop down, we could look at the timeline of certification and scheduled acreage. Bear in mind, this is just of the last year. You can also look at practice code breakdown. These can be sorted from top to bottom. So if you wanted to see like what has actually been certified, what's actually versus what has been planned, then this can be really useful. You can look at a state breakdown and see by state what the amount of practices are. When you hover over these, you can see the acres of the practice applied, as well as you can see what's actually been scheduled. We have an office breakdown as well. Of course, this is more useful when we get into a specific state. We have a county map of certified versus scheduled acres. So if you wanted to see, how that breakdown could be useful, we have a land unit map, which just goes back to our original view. And then you look at land use by practice. And this will give us bar charts to basically show us, for these practices, what land use they have been planned in. Then we can go land use by state, which can be very fascinating to see. For instance, at the top of the list here, Alabama, we can see all that's been done for soil health on forest land, as well as cropland, and see there's been considerable progress with pasture.